Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the cool features in Edge that we haven't covered in our previous videos. I've been really impressed with the way how Edge has been evolving since it has been completely rebuilt using Chromium, and I think you're definitely going to like some of these features. Non-AI features. One of my favorite features is the split screen mode within the Edge. This lets you to view two websites side by side, which is perfect for comparing prices or researching information. For example, you could be looking at a product on Amazon while also comparing prices on other websites. Or, you could be reading an article on a news site while also following a live chat about the topic. Edge also has a great collections feature, which lets you to save web pages, images, and other content for later. This is really helpful for organizing your search items or keeping track of things you want to read. For example, you could be collecting articles about a topic you're interested in, or you could be collecting recipes for a meal you're planning to make. Edge also has a number of other useful toolbar options that you can add from toolbar settings by right-clicking on the toolbar, and then selecting Customize Toolbar, which redirects you to toolbar settings where you can find other toolbar options toggles to enable or disable the toolbar options. These include Math Solver, Apps, Web Capture, and Share. Math Solver is a great way to solve math problems right in the browser. Apps lets you add your favorite progressive web apps to the toolbar. Web Capture lets you take screenshots of web pages, and Share lets you share pages with your friends, family, and others. You can add or remove these from toolbar by turning on or off the toggles. AI features. Edge also has a number of AI-powered features that are really helpful for productivity. One of my favorites is the chat feature. This lets you ask questions about the web page you're on, and Edge will try to answer them using AI. For example, you could ask Edge to define a word, or you could ask it to find information about a product. Another great AI feature in Edge is the Compose feature. This lets you write emails, social media posts, and other text in different tones and lengths. Edge will use AI to help you choose the right words and phrases for your audience. For example, you could use the Compose feature to write a professional email, or you could use it to write a social media post that will reach your target audience. Sidebar features. Edge also has a number of useful sidebar features. These include Bing Search, Shopping, Tools, Games, Office 365, Outlook, Image Creator, and Drop. These features make it easy to access the information and tools you need without having to leave the browser. The Drop feature is a great way to share data between devices. Just sign into Edge on your devices and you can easily share files back and forth. Another cool feature in Edge is the Add Site feature. This lets you add websites to the side panel for quick access. This is great for keeping things organized or for working on multiple projects at once. For example, you could add your favorite websites to the side panel so you can easily access them without having to open a new tab. That's all for this video. I hope I have covered all the mainstream features of Edge that are useful and worth giving a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. If you're looking for a great alternative to Chrome, I highly recommend giving Edge a try. It's a great browser to use and got a lot to offer, and I think you'll be impressed with it. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next video.